Thank you. Hey everyone, it is Wednesday, January 11th. The time is just after 3:30 p.m. and the temperature is around -1 degree Celsius. I am here on Eglinton Avenue West. And that was a 32A westbound Eglinton bus I was just on. And I'm making my way over to Eglinton West subway station. And it took, no word of a lie, about 10 minutes to get from Bathurst Street to the Hilltop road stop where I got off. And that's just a distance of a couple of blocks. This bus route is always a painful trip across this stretch at this time of day. I should have known better. I should have taken the subway up to Lawrence and then hopped on the Lawrence bus. So let's see if I can beat this bus to Eglinton West Station.
Hey, I've seen you on YouTube.
Oh. Friendly viewer. So I'm just going to be walking at my normal, somewhat brisk pace. And where I got off the bus is about 800 meters to the stop. So that's not a very long walk anyways. And this is the bus that was in front of the bus that I was on. That's a 32C. And as you can see, it started to snow lightly.
Wait, did you get 2 on?
Luna Tide Kitchen. That place looks pretty good. So I'm making my way up to Glencarin Station, which is just a stop north of Eglinton West Station. I was planning on doing a video featuring that station. So the bus I was on was way back there, or is way back there. I wonder if I'll pass the next 2 buses just up ahead. Of course, this entire exercise should be completely unnecessary as the Crosstown LRT should be open. They've completed all the tunneling. That was supposed to open in 2020, and then 2021, and then 2022. Then this year, they just flat out said, we have no idea when it's going to open. Thank you. And because of that LRT construction, this stretch of Eglinton has been a perpetual disaster over the past decade or so. Actually, I think it was around 2015 when the construction really started to have an impact along Eglinton. And I believe the bottleneck is due to the LRT station construction up at Eglinton West, which will be renamed Cedarvale Station. All right, so that bus is starting to get away. And this area goes by the name Upper Village. I live around the corner from here. I don't think I've ever overheard anyone refer to it as that. And the sidewalk is closed just up ahead here. So I'll have to cross to the south side of Eglinton. This will definitely give that bus a chance to make up some ground. And that's a look to the east. Well, if it weren't for this incredibly slow pedestrian signal, I don't think this would be much of a race. This is kind of handicapping things in favor of the bus. How important are pedestrians in the city? Well, based on a lot of these light cycle times, the answer to that would be not very. All right, and there's the station just up on the right. So I need to make it up to those faraway traffic lights. And then cross south into the station before the bus arrives. That building there is done in the design language of the new LRT stations. It's kind of odd that the LRT station doesn't match the architecture of Eglinton West. But this is an improvement. For the longest time, this stretch of sidewalk I'm walking on now was closed, and you'd have to detour through this park. And just to the north of here is where the Allen Road terminates. It was originally to have been the Spadina Expressway. That was not the bus I was on. There's a 32A. that my bus? No! I lost the race. Oh well, it was a noble effort. I like how there's a no bicycle side there. You can't ride your bike. Southbound in the opposite direction of traffic. That should be quite obvious. There's a look at the Cedarvale Station entrance, the LRT line. There's another entrance on the north side there, or south side. So I have until 5:08 to tap back on. So I'm going to head down to the northbound platform. Well, that guy was sitting in front of me on the bus. So at least time-wise, it would have been a draw. Doesn't say when the next train is, it just says every 3 minutes. And I think the train is rolling in. All right, let's take it one stop to the north of here.
Line 1, towards home.
like that because she like there's nothing that she thinks that is like it was because it was pinching her neck.
Next
You
station.
can see like they took a scan
Glencarin.
and you can see that nerve is like bending. So like just imagine like a constant like your nerves are constantly firing. So they kind of like shaved it off and like made it so that the nerve was like pinched and then now she's fine. 6 years. So I guess she depends like on no. And then like
Arriving at Glencarin Station. Doors will open on the left. Line 1, Glencarin.
It's always nice when people just camp out right in front of a door like that. All right, so if you wish to see my video exploring the station, stay tuned. That'll be coming up on the station, on the channel pretty soon. I was going to ride the subway southbound to Eglinton at the end of that video, but since I just took it from Eglinton here, maybe I'll go up to Lawrence. And I'll finish up by riding it up to Lawrence West. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. And if you wish to support the channel, there's links to my Patreon and YouTube channel membership in the description. I have an Instagram account at Johnny Strides and a TikTok account as well at Johnny Strides. And if you wish to say thanks, the super thanks, that's not awkwardly worded at all. There's a button for that down in the description. Anywho, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Yoink.